Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really getting into the weeds on an app called Crazy Catch App. It promises you can earn cash, like just by playing games. Our goal here, a quick verdict. Is it legit or just unreliable?
Yeah, exactly. We want to cut through all the marketing noise, look at what users are actually saying based on the source material we reviewed. What's the reality here?
Because the pitch, it sounds great. Earn money doing simple tasks. And here's the really clever bit, the hook. The payout threshold is super low, like 10 cents via PayPal.
So it's 10 cents, yeah.
You hit that tiny amount and boom, you can cash out. It almost feels insulting. It's so low,
Yeah.
designed to make you think payout is easy.
Oh, it's effective marketing, no doubt.
Yeah.
That low threshold screams, we pay out easily, trust us. But that promise, it seems to shatter pretty fast. Right, when users try to actually, get the money. What the source material shows, again and again, is stuff just breaking.
Okay, let's get into that. The problems people report after they've managed to scrape together that 10 cents, they often don't see it. The main thing seems to be errors when they try to withdraw. Specific errors, but kind of vague, too. Like the source mentioned seeing account number format is wrong.
Right, and that specific error message, account number format wrong, is actually quite telling, isn't it?
How so? You mean it's not just a random glitch?
Well, think about it. If the goal was just to avoid paying 10 cents, why not a generic error? Or just time out. But saying your format is wrong, it subtly puts the blame back on the user. It makes you waste more time fiddling, re-entering details.
Keeping you in the app longer.
Exactly. More time in the app means, well, more data collected, maybe more ads watched. It maximizes their gain before you finally give up. It suggests it's less about payment and more about harvesting activity.
Okay, that makes a chilling kind of sense. And this is happening alongside basically no support from the developer, right? Our sources found like zero contact info, no FAQ for these withdrawal problems.
None whatsoever. And it gets worse. Often the promotional offer is the main way you're supposed to earn those cents. They don't even credit properly in the app in the first place.
So let me get this straight. The tasks might not even pay out correctly within the app.
Correct.
Then there's absolutely no way to contact anyone if things go wrong.
Right. Zero support infrastructure.
And if you manage to hit the low threshold anyway, you get hit with a specific error message designed to make you think it's your fault, blocking the payout.
That's the picture that emerges. It's like a triple failure system. Tasks don't credit, no support when they fail, and then a block it withdrawal. It strongly suggests the app isn't just buggy, it's, well, unreliable seems generous.
Yeah.
The source basically called it out as looking like a scam, or at least engineered to frustrate.
Right. So the actionable takeaway for you listening is pretty clear. If you install this app based on this evidence, don't actually expect to see any money land in your PayPal.
And connecting this to the bigger picture. That complete lack of transparency, no contact, no FAQ. That's almost always the biggest red flag. It tells you they aren't building something for the long haul or for user satisfaction. It suggests, more of a short-term data grab or ad revenue play.
So here's something to chew on as you look at other apps promising easy money. That super low 10-cent threshold, it's designed purely to lure you in, make it seem achievable. But how much does that low threshold really matter when a seemingly deliberate error, one that blames you, stops you from withdrawing anything at all? 10 cents or $10, it's irrelevant if you can't actually get it out. Apply that kind of scrutiny next time.